TBEX Europe 2022 will take place in the city of Marbella, which is in Costa del Sol and in the region of Andalucia. The dates are from June 6th until June 9th. We will have free tours and also fun trips that are going to be exciting to explore the whole region of Andalucia as well as the whole city of Marbella and Costa del Sol. Okay, the popular places in Andalucia, I would say that there are the whole 8 provinces that we have, which is Málaga, of course, Sevilla, Córdoba, we have Granada, we have Cádiz, Huelva, Almería and Jaén also. All of them are completely different but very special and unique. So this is a place where people are going to be able to experience unique adventures, activities, things to do. And this is what we have planned for TBEX Europe 2022, which we are sure that everyone is going to enjoy. The time of the year for TBEX Europe 2022 is going to be amazing because it's June, it's the beginning of June, and it is a beautiful weather, which is going to be very mild. It's not going to be too hot. Blue skies, of course, because that's something that it's a landmark for us. We have blue skies year round. And also it's going to be a very special time because it's the festivities of the city of Marbella. And this is all around the saint, you know, it's all Catholic and very festival. It's a very beautiful festival that it's going on during a week, and that is exactly the time where TBEX Europe 2022 takes place. Andalucia and Spain, of course, it's all about food, it's all about people, and it's all about wine. Wine is life, and we all do surrounding these beautiful things in life, which is having a good food with friends and having a good wine, which is exactly what we're going to be doing in TBEX Europe 2022. Andalucia is so much more. Of course, we have amazing beaches and wonderful weather year round, but of course it's more of like history. We have a lot of a rich culture and a mixture of civilizations where we enjoy amazing gastronomy, and of course we are very traditional, where we are going to have our festivals with the flamenco, which is, you know, an art that was born in our region, and it's so popular. The gastronomy, the wines and the people, and of course it's something that not many people know, that we are very cosmopolitan and also very hospitable, and that's why we're very happy to welcome you all. To all bloggers and content creators and social media people, I'm just letting you know that we are going to have this amazing conference in Marbella, Costa del Sol and Andalucia, TBEX Europe 2022. We're going to be welcoming you with open arms, and it's all full of surprises.